Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question. How to fix setup tools, SEM file finders, Git listening, Git files failed. Correct answer is to fix setup tools, SEM file finders, Git listening, Git files failed. You can try the following steps. Number one, ensure Git is installed and properly configured on your system. Number two, double check your project's Git repository to ensure it is set up correctly. 3. Update setup tools and setup tools SCM to the latest version. 4. Clean and rebuild your project's virtual environment. Number 5. Check for any potential conflicts with other packages in your project. Number 6. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to the setup tools SCM community for additional support or troubleshooting. So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.